Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2010 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. For the output F to be 1 in the logic circuit shown, the input combination should be. For what values of input combination the output F will be 1? That was the question. Okay. So this is what we are going with. This is XNOR gate. Okay, this is XNOR gate, and let us assume this is going to be X, Y and Z are going to be the inputs. For example, by that time you can write F is equal to X exclusive Y exclusive Z whole bar. You can write in this way, because XNOR is nothing but complement of XOR. So you can write F is equal to X exclusive Y exclusive Z whole bar. By that time you can write it as F bar is equal to, if it has to be 1, by that time if it is going to be 1, at that time F bar has to be 0. By that time the value is nothing but X exclusive Y exclusive Z. So that implies nothing but simply you are going with a 3 input XOR gate. For that one, when the output is going to be 0. For what input combination the output is 0 for a 3 input XOR gate? It is better to deal with XOR gate instead of XNOR gate. Okay, because we know that one XOR gate output is going to be 1 whenever any odd number of inputs are at logic 1, and output of XNOR gate is going to be 0 whenever all the inputs are 0, or whenever even number of inputs are going to be at logic 1s. So output F will be 1 whenever all its inputs are at logic 0. Otherwise, if even number of inputs are at logic 1, by that time output of XOR gate will be 0. So based on this condition, now we are going with. So this is what we are going with. So F bar is equal to 0 is nothing but the asking question is F is equal to 1. So F bar is equal to 0. That is for a 3 input XOR gate. When F bar will be 0 is nothing but whenever. Okay, there are two conditions. One is nothing but C is equal to, if C is equal to, let us assume 0 by that time, and C is equal to 1. If C is equal to 0, if it has to be 0, by that time the other two inputs, that is nothing but C means Z. Z is equal to C is equal to 0. By that time X and Y must be 1s. X comma Y must be either 1 or X comma Y must be 0s, because even number of 1s should be present or all must be 0s. So both outputs should be same. That is nothing but this output X is equal to Y. Okay, it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Whenever C is equal to 0, X is going to be equal to Y such that F bar will be 0, such that F is equal to 1. But since you are going with the same inputs AB, that is going to be applying towards XOR gate as well as XNOR gate, and output of XOR and XNOR are going to be complement of each other. So always X is going to be equal to Y bar. So X cannot be equal to Y. That implies nothing but whenever C is equal to 0, at that time both has to be 1s, is you cannot get this situation, so that this is going to be 0. Whenever you are going with 1 1, at that time you don't get both are going to be same. So A is going to be C is equal to 0 is going to be the wrong option now. C is going to be 0 is wrong option. That is nothing but whenever C is equal to 0, okay, at that time these three will not happen, because C is equal to 0, by that time AB has to be same, but AB cannot be. If you are getting AB is equal to 0, XY is going to be, you are not going to be get the same. Think in that way. Okay, next, the last option is nothing but C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 is nothing but Z is equal to 1. Whenever Z is equal to 1, either it can be possible with A is that is X is equal to 1, and y is equal to 0, otherwise x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. This can be possible. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. X is nothing but output of XOR gate. That can be 1. Either A B can be either 1 0 or 0 1. Otherwise y can be 0 whenever AB is equal to 0 0 or 1 0. So for these combinations you can get it as output 1, f is equal to 1, that is f bar is equal to 0. So the right answer is nothing but this one. D is the right answer. Okay,